Cybersecurity tips for small businesses. How to protect your digital assets. In today's digital world, small businesses are increasingly becoming cyberattack targets. Limited resources and a lack of dedicated IT teams can leave them vulnerable. However, implementing basic cybersecurity measures can significantly reduce risks. Here are essential tips for protecting your business from cyber threats. 1. Educate your employees. Your team is your first line of defense. Provide regular training on recognizing phishing emails, avoiding suspicious links, and securely handling sensitive information. Awareness can prevent many common attacks. 2. Use strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. Encourage employees to create complex passwords and change them regularly. Implement MFA wherever possible to add an extra layer of security, especially for email, banking, and file-sharing platforms. 3. Keep software updated. Regularly update all software, including operating systems. 4. Secure your Wi-Fi network. Ensure your business Wi-Fi network is encrypted, password protected, and hidden. 5. Back up your data regularly. This ensures you can recover quickly in case of ransomware attacks or data loss. 6. Implement access controls. Restrict access to sensitive data based on roles and responsibilities. 7. Invest in reliable security software. Install firewalls, antivirus software, and intrusion detection systems. 8. Create a cybersecurity policy. Define acceptable use of company resources, data protection measures, and protocols for reporting potential threats. 9. Plan for incidents. Prepare for the worst by having a response plan in place. 10. Partner with experts. Professionals can help monitor threats and ensure your defenses are up to date. Follow EverlastCyber for more security updates.